Yes, welcome. Yeah, let me show you how the system can pay you money. How the system can pay you an affiliate commission when you refer other people to use the system. For those of you who don't have a business to promote, yes, you can promote the system by itself. The system by itself is a business. When you share the system with other people, and if they subscribe to the system, you will get paid as an affiliate. This is not an MLM program, this is an affiliate program. You use this system to drive your primary MLM business, but while using this system, you also can make money when you share the system with other people. That's the beauty part of it. I call this a funded proposal, where you earn some money while building your primary MLM business. So now, there's a video here that I will play to you, but along the way, I will pause and I will explain to you so that you will understand better. Okay, let's watch the video.
Hey, it's Jeff here again, and thanks for checking out this next video. In just a second, I'll be revealing the huge earning potential for marketing this in-demand product, but I just have a quick question for you. Have you ever heard of the term 100% commissions? Well, it's a popular compensation model usually accomplished by having a certain percentage of your sales rolling up to someone else. Roll-up sales are also known as pass-ups, and they do something very important that most people don't realize. In traditional compensation plans, any geometrical growth is usually happening straight down, oftentimes right out of your pay zone, so you don't make any money. But what roll-up sales do is it forces geometrical growth wide instead of down, allowing the potential for enormous incomes to be generated very quickly. Accelerated leverage takes full advantage of this by increasing the frequency in which roll-ups are happening. To put this simply, with accelerated leverage, you've got more sales rolling up more often, creating a true viral affiliate program. So ask yourself, would you rather make 100% commissions or make more money? You see, they don't pay the entire commission to just one person. Instead, there's an awesome twist, which I'll be revealing to you at the end of this video. So let's talk about the money. First of all, you'll make $20 per month for every sale that falls on your front line.
Yeah, you can see that. When you share the system with other people, you will make $20 a month. The system costs you $30 a month. Okay, so let us continue with the video.
I like to call this your pay line. And it just so happens that your first sale falls on your front line. So even from sale 1, you're making a $20 monthly commission. Your second sale rolls up. Your third sale once again falls directly on your front line. And at this point, you're earning $40 per month. Your fourth sale rolls up. Your fifth sale goes to your front line again, paying you yet another $20 monthly commission. So do you see the pattern here? All of your odd number sales are going to your front line, paying you $20 per month each, while all of your even number sales are rolling up.
Yeah, you can see the pattern here. Anybody you refer, you make $20 a month, but that will be your odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But all the even numbers, the second sales, 4, 6, and 8 will roll up to your sponsor. Okay, come, let's keep on listening. Okay.
Now let's stop there for a second and see how this simple pattern can explode the growth of your business. Suppose all you did was just refer one person. Let's call this person Mark. As Mark starts making sales, his even numbered sales all roll to your pay line. In other words, his second, This 4th, 6th, 8th, and 10th sale all roll up to your pay line. And you're making $20 a month on all of them. Take a look at what just happened. You just had 5 new sales roll up to your pay line thanks to Mark. You'll now be receiving every other sale from these 5 new people. These 5 can turn into...
Okay, here is becoming more interesting. Mark pass up 5 sales to you. That means Mark pass up the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10.
20.
Okay, so the one that Mark pass up, the 5 sales that Mark pass up to you, you will earn 5 times $20. That means you are earning $100 a month just from the pass up you receive from Mark. And what the video is going to explain to you is that what happened when the 5 roll up sales to you that was passed up by Mark, they also do the same thing. When they refer 10 people, they will keep the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sale will be passed up to you. That means for every one member that is passed up to you, if they refer 10 people, they make 10 sales, that means 5 will be on your pay line. That means you will receive another $100 from each person. So if everyone give you 5, that means you have 5 times 5 is 25. That means you will have another 25 sales on your pay line. Okay, let's take a look at the video.
And those 25 can turn into 125. And this process never stops, creating an infinite earning potential, which can all start simply by you referring just one person. But why would you stop there? The more sales you make, the faster your pay line can grow. And speaking of referring more sales, how would you like to keep all of your sales front line odd and even? Well, all it takes is just 5 roll-ups, and that's it. Once you roll up 5, all of your sales from that point on will fall directly on your pay line, paying you $20 per month.
Yeah, after you roll up 5 sales to your upline, to your sponsor, then on the 11th sales, 11, 12, 13, 14, you keep the sales. That means you'll be rewarded 20, 20, 20 for the next 4 sales. But on the 15th sales, that will roll up to your sponsor. That means for every 4 sales, the 5th sale will roll up to your sponsor. That means 15th sale roll up to your sponsor, 20th sale roll up to your sponsor, and the 25th sale roll up to your sponsor, and it goes on and on with no limit. You can refer as many people as possible. Okay, let's proceed.
Each. So you might be saying to yourself, this all sounds great, but I really don't want to lose 5 people. Well, hold on, because here's the twist. You see, you're never going to lose anybody, because with accelerated leverage, you make 50% matching bonus on the entire pay line of all 5 of your roll-ups. Did you get that? Let me help you visualize this and show you how powerful this really is. Suppose you sponsor me, and I was one of your 5 roll-ups. And let's say my pay line grew to 50 people. At $20 per month per person, I'd be making $1,000 per month. But since you sponsored me and I rolled up, you'll make a 50% matching bonus. That's $500 in monthly residual income that you'd be making from my entire pay line. But it's not just my pay line. You'll make the same incredible 50% match on the entire pay line of all 5 of your roll-ups. Now don't worry, if you don't quite understand how all this works, our powerful software does. and it doesn't make mistakes. In fact, it'll track all of this for you with 100% accuracy. And coming soon, we're going to be releasing one of the most amazing training packages ever released in this industry. This premier level package will provide the opportunity for 5 times the money for anyone wishing to market it. And here's something that really does excite me, because this program is open worldwide. You can make money with this program no matter where you live in the world. Use your computer, use your smartphone app to transfer all the monies to your bank or directly to your Visa pay card. Everything starts with your free trial. So all you have to do is just get started. Just click on the button below that says Start Your Free Trial and start profiting with the world's most powerful marketing system, the Power Lead System. Make the decision and get started right now.
So you see the conclusion here. Yeah, even if you sponsor one person, if that person sponsor 10 people, 5 sales will roll up to you. That means 5 times 20, you will earn $100 a month. Huh? And then what happened when the 5 roll up sales, they also sponsor 10 people each. That means 5 times 5 will be 25. So just imagine another 25 sales times by $20, that will be $500. And it goes on when the 25 multiplied by 5 will be 125. Huh? It won't stop. It will keep on going and going. So in this case, can you see, even if you refer one person, he is promoting the system like nobody business. Yes, you will benefit from his sales. Yeah, if you can sponsor 10 people, just imagine how big the income potential here. That's why they call it the income potential is staggering. This is a 100% payout commission. So I hope you understand how much money is on the table for you. You use the system, the tools and training there for you to get prospect for your primary MLM business. Yes, you will grow your primary MLM business, but along the way, this is what you call a funded proposal. You'll be funded by your income from promoting the system itself. So for those who don't have a business to promote, they are not in any MLM business. Yes, you can start to promote this system to other people. You see how much you can get paid. So now, for those who are having your MLM business, yeah, use this system to enhance your prospecting in your primary MLM business. You will get more leads and more sales. So I hope this video will clarify, will make you understand, will open up your eyes. Yeah, I mean, there are abundance of opportunities out there. Can you work from home? Can you just take care of your kids? Because nowadays, leaving the kids at home in the hands of the maid is a bit risky. So it will be better if you take care of your kid at home and learn the system, where I am sure you love it. You start making money right on day one. So all the best, everybody out there. If you have any enquiries, you can always email to me, sifusham@gmail.com, or you can just inbox in this page. Then, but I tell you, this is quite a very simple and straightforward pay plan. I'm sure you will understand it. So, good luck, everybody. Best of luck. Do something today. You will definitely earn something uh, a few more days to come. You don't have to wait for a month. Maybe in a week's time, you start earning some commission. Yeah. So, all the best to you. And if any inquiry, please don't hesitate to contact me. Yeah. I am here to help everybody. Bye.